I'm sure you've heard the news. Your gaming laptop doesn't have to be slow. Let's get it running like new. First, open Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus SE and close any resource hogging applications. Next, update your drivers, especially your graphics card. Check NVIDIA, AMD or Intel's official sites. Lower in-game graphics settings and enable Windows Game Mode via Settings, Gaming Game Mode. Switch to a high-performance power plan in Control Panel, Power Options. Disable unnecessary startup programs and background apps through Task Manager. Run an antivirus scan to ensure malware isn't slowing you down. Consider upgrading your RAM or switching to an SSD for better performance. Clean your laptop's vents and fans to prevent overheating. Adjust Windows visual effects for best performance and defragment your HDD if needed. Close unnecessary browser tabs and verify game files if a specific game is slow. In the worst case, a clean Windows install might be necessary. For hardware issues, consult a professional at Skills Fixed It. Like and share for more quick gaming tips.